Oh, geez.
Play?
It's on.
Oh, it's on? Okay. Today is a very big and exciting day. I'm going to do something to the Mustang that hasn't been done in a long, long time. It's very important to me that I let all you fellas and girls out there and to see this video to know one thing. Louvers get chicks. With that said, you put louvers on everything. I'm putting louvers on my car. You know, I got louvers on my back window. Today we're going to put on
more louvers.
More louvers. Because, you know, you just can't get enough louvers. And everyone says, Danny, they say, what they probably say on the videos that we've done, or you've done, they probably say, hey, Danny, I don't have a car that does louvers very well. There's a way to fix that. Let's say you have a convertible, and you really want to put louvers on. But, you know, they don't make louvers for convertibles. All you need to do is get a big, fat Sharpie and color it on the back of the window. That way you got louvers. And you probably also had questions, Danny, where they say, hey, Danny, I don't own a car.
I don't own a car.
I want louvers.
I want louvers.
So how do I do that? You take one of these louvers and you glue it on your back. So when you go down the road, you know, you're sitting on your motorcycle like this, and all the chicks are waving to you because
louvers get chicks.
You got louvers and louvers get chicks. So that's just some of the things that you should do if you're not lucky enough to own a 2016 Mustang EcoBoost, which I do. So, yeah, I do.
Yeah.
So how's things been going, Danny?
It's been going well.
Yeah? Anyway, enough of that. Back to louvers. You know something else you can do with louvers? Something else you can do. Now, I said louvers get chicks. They get chicks in different ways. Now, you see a hot car riding down the road with louvers on it, you're going to get stares, right? Yeah. You're going to get a lot of women waving to you like this and all that. But there's let's say that you're maybe a little older.
Yeah.
And maybe
like me.
Like me.
Oh, okay, like you.
And you just don't quite have the body you used to have, right?
Bad body, yeah.
So you're walking down the street. You're thinking, well, what can I do with louvers if I don't have a car or a motorcycle? I'm just walking down the street. We can fix that and make you look better all at the same time.
Really? How do we do that?
I'll show you. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Let's see, look here. You did not know that I had a six-pack, but I do have a six-pack. So this is what you can do. You walk down the street. You know, if it's a bit hard to put it, you can sort of tuck it in your pants a little bit like this.
Oh, yeah.
And just cruise down the street.
And your chest is huge.
You can stick it down your pants a little farther.
Oh, got
there you go.
Wow.
I got a six-pack.
You do.
It's adjustable.
So now you have an 8-pack.
So now you have motorcycle you can put on your back, cruise down the road. If you have a convertible or a car, just Sharpie. And now you got the chicks digging out your mean six-pack with the louver. And see, this really isn't my stomach. This is really a louver.
No way.
Yeah, I tell you. No one can tell the difference.
Wow.
So anyway, that's Louver 101. Get your chicks, and you'll have them lined up.
So what if you are a girl?
If you are a girl, well, you know, there's some girls that are like girls. And some girls that are like girls, hey, same thing, dude. Same thing. Hey, I know firsthand that this works.
Yeah.
And another little secret is that I let Danny borrow my louver to pick up Brittany.
Yep.
So that's that.
The secret's out.
Louver 101 there for you. We're going to put these on the car now. And
that's that.
You ready, Danny?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do this.
Okay.
We can go like this.
How many chicks would that get? More or less chicks? With that
definitely less, because the pointy end is pointing to the front of the car.
Okay.
Now it also would work this way.
Yeah.
But it's kind of not aerodynamic.
Gotcha.
It might just fly off the car.
So in this sick louver pack, we got ourselves a little cleaning towel. You see that? That's that straight JDM, bro. We got ourselves some 3M tape, and we got ourselves some louvers.
Quarter louvers.
Quarter louvers. We're gonna start by cleaning this bad boy off. Let's just mock it up. See what it looks like. Time to apply the louver. chicks, yo. You ready to get some chicks?
Louver number 2 for all my chick friends. I don't have too many because I'm married. I had to get a lot of stares because of my louvers. All right. Apply pressure.
Mom, I'm sorry, but they're chicks to get. Please don't fall off. Oh, oh my god! What the? Oh, what just happened?
Burn a little rubber there.
Oh, how many chicks did you get?
Well, on that little short little 1 minute drive,
Yeah.
there's like 4 ladies down there kept on looking at me.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, it's impressive.
The chick magnet.
Louvers get chicks. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Adios. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, don't like the video. Actually, keep liking the video. Peace, bye.